Good morning, guys. How are you today? Could you please tell me what can you observe on the board? Yes, you're right, menus. Now, could you please stand up and then read the menu that we have here on the board? Then you're going to choose one dish that you find appealing. Now I'm gonna ask you something. Where do we need menus? That's correct. We need a menu to order food in a restaurant. And today we are going to learn how to order a meal in a restaurant.
Do you like go to the restaurant? I really enjoy take a meal in a restaurant. But I think that it's important to know the correct way to order food or whatever you want. For example, when I am in a restaurant and I want to see the menu, I can say the phrase, "Can I see the menu, please?" And then, if I already know what I want to order, I can say something like, "I'd like spaghetti and chicken, please." And then, if I want something to drink, I can use the phrase, "Could I have a glass of water, please?" And there are some other phrases that you can use to order food in a restaurant. But I will show you a better example of it. I will play you a video in which you will hear two people ordering food in a restaurant. So I need that you just pay attention and listen to what the waiter say and what the people say. Okay? So can somebody tell me what you are going to do? That's right. You just have to listen and pay attention, and then we will continue, okay?
Not Mr. Hall. Tom, please. Excuse me. Can I have a menu, please?
Oh, yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Soup, please.
Soup.
And I'd like steak and chips and salad, please. Okay.
I'd like soup and chicken, please.
Thank you. What would you like to drink?
A bottle of mineral water, please.
And a glass of apple juice for me, please.
Thank you.
You see, as I told you, there are so many phrases that you can use to order food. So you have any question or any comment? No, I don't think that saying something like, "I want water," could be appropriate in a restaurant. But you will learn about it in a while, okay?
Hello, today I will show you some vocabulary and grammatical elements when we are ordering food in a restaurant. Here I have a poster. First, we need to know that we have two persons in a restaurant. Someone can help me? Okay, no problem. We have person A and person B. The person A is the waiter. The waiter is the person that takes notes about our food. Okay? So, first I have here a question. Question with would. This would is a question when we ask for an approval or an answer yes or no. Okay? So, I have here some examples. Would you like see the menu? Yes or no? Would you like anything to drink? Drink. Yes or no? Would you like order your starter? Yes or no? Then I have here I will recommend you. Okay, this I have here a will. This is a modal verb. This modal helps the verb to be in future. So what we are going to do, recommend. So it's in the future, I will recommend you, and I have here some examples of food. I will recommend you coleslaw. I will recommend you spaghetti. And I will recommend you ice cream. All we like ice cream. So then, let's continue with the customer. The customer is the person that arrives to the restaurant, sit in the table, and start to eat. Then, okay, we have here two phrases, may I have and can I have. This is like a question to the waiter if the waiter have it. Okay? So we have here some examples. May I have a lemonade? Can I have a slice of bread? May I have the bill? Remember that the bill is when you pay your food. Okay? So this is like a question to the waiter if the person have it. Then this is the answer of this question that the waiter have already told us. So I have here I would like. Like, remember as is like. I like food, okay? I would like apple pie for dessert, okay? Barbecue ribs for main course. I would like a beer. So this is the answer of this question, okay? Then I have here I will have. Like in this example, the modal verb held the verb. In this case, my verb is have. So I will have. I will have. I am going to have in the future. I will have a beef stick for main course. I will have an ice cream for dessert. I will have mac and cheese for starter. So this is like some phrases that those person use it when we are going to ordering food. Okay, and then let's continue with the vocabulary. Here I have the vocabulary. Are the words that are underlined in blue. So when we have here, I have here drink. Drink is something that I want to drink, like a beer, like a lemonade. Then we have the starter. In a starter, I put here like mac and cheese. The starter could be like soup, rice, or something like that. Then I have the main course. The main course is like the main food that I'm going to eat. I put here like a beef stick, a really huge beef stick, and I have barbecue ribs. Okay, those are like examples of meals when we are going to a restaurant. Then I have here dessert. The dessert is like the thing that all we love. In the case of ice cream, I have here an apple pie, could be a cake, could be a cheesecake, all that things that we love. So this is my explanation of how to order food in a restaurant. I hope that you can practice, and that's all.
Now, according to what we have seen, we're going to do a small activity, okay? In this activity, I am going to give you words with the name of food, and you're going to taste it here, according if you like or if you don't like the food, okay? Everything is clear? Can someone tell me what are we going to do? Okay? Thank you. Whoa, very good, guys. Now that we have reviewed some vocabulary, we're going to pass to the next activity, okay? In this activity, I need you to get in pairs, please. Everyone in pairs. Ready? Good. Now I am going to give you a dialogue, and you're going to fill the blank spaces with the words in the box. When you have finished, you're going to pass in the front with your partner, and you're going to perform the dialogue. One of you is going to be the waiter, and one of you is going to be the customer. And then you change roles. I am going to give you an example.
Hello, I'll be your waiter today. Would you like to see the menu? Yes, please. I recommend you the spaghetti. Thank you, but may I have the ribs? Okay, would you like anything to drink? Yes, I'd like a glass of water. Okay, thank you. This is what you are going to do. Everything is clear? Can someone tell me what we are going to do? Okay. Excellent. Now do it, please.
Alright. Is there someone who would like to tell us what are the phrases we use in a restaurant to order food? Thank you, Anita. We listen to you. Thank you very much. Would someone else like to add another phrases Anita forgot to mention? Thank you, Jaime. We listen. Thank you very much. So, now, what I want you to do is individually do a performance to the whole group about how you order food in a restaurant, okay? So, please, Mario, can you please tell us what are the indications? Thank you very much. So now I'll give you a moment to think about it, okay? Who would like to start with his performance? What about you, Mari? Nice try, we appreciate it. Who wants to be the second one? Thank you, Daphne. We listen to you. Thank you very much. But remember to greet the waiter at the beginning to sound more polite, okay? Thank you. Who would like to be the last one to show us his performance ordering food at a restaurant? Thank you, Jorge. Thank you very much. I am very proud of you guys.
Hello everybody, I'm Teacher David, and after to go through all these previous activities, let's go ahead to make a summary about what are the most important things of this topic in general, Ask for Food. As you need to remember, Ask for Food is a common situation. Keep this in mind because you as learners of a second language, in this case English, you need to affront those types of situations because can happen everywhere, okay? I can ask for food in a fast food restaurants and luxury restaurants and so on, okay? So, during this class we have seen all the most important vocabulary to use on this situation. You know the words that we need to use in this situation. And another thing to remember is that we see how to use the language in this situation. Okay, and the most important thing, we have seen the interaction of people during this activity. So, keeping this in mind, let's go ahead to the final activity that we need to do. In this case, I have a text for you, and you need to complete the text with the correct vocabulary and the correct usage of the language in this situation. Ask for food. In this case, you will have two situations: to use the language in a fast food restaurant and in a luxury restaurant. So for this activity, you need to use the next materials. You need to use blue pen, some stickers about the two situations that I played to you before, and a stepper. So I will give you one text to every one of you. After that you finish the text, you need to staple the situation that you have found over the text. Okay? So can you please Hugo, repeat the instructions? Yes, teacher. The first thing that we need to do is resolve the text. We need to resolve it in blue pen. After that, we need to staple and a sticker about what situation we found queried with the text. And that's it. Okay, that's it. So let's go ahead. I will give you a specific time to finish the activity. 5 minutes, it's okay. I have a timer here, and I will make you a piece of advice before the timer over. Okay? 1 minute left, guys. Okay, please pass me your tax. Okay, everyone, the class is over, but I need one person over here. Martin, can you please come over? Okay, teacher, I will go. Okay, Martin, I have found that you are really good on the use of vocabulary, but you need to improve how to use the language. I reviewed your task and I put you some pieces of advice that you need to follow. This case for you that you can improve the use of the language. Please take care of my advertisements and see you in the next class. Okay? Don't worry, anyone can commit mistakes. You are really good.